Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys oppo phone guys hotspot setting guys, and today video title guys how can we enable guys mobile hotspot and how can we use it. Friends, you want to enable guys your phone mobile hotspot setting guys, and guys how to use mobile hotspot and how can we enable in oppo phone device. Today friend, we will talk about. So without waste time guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting, as you can see this stuff setting in your oppo phone device. So how can we on guys our phone mobile hotspot. Hence you can see guys phone connection setting guys and sharing. So let's tap here. Then guys you can see guys your hotspot, and once you want to enable guys your mobile hotspot, so guys you can enable from here. After enable guys, you can see QR code will on. So once you want to share guys your phone mobile network and guys your Wi-Fi, so guys you can share from here. So friends, you will have to enter guys your password, then guys you can share it. So friends, you can use guys your mobile hotspot setting from here guys. You can see guys connection management guys, you can check from here, and guys you can change from here connection maximum connection guys. You can change from here guys 3 4 5 6 guys. If you click on guys this 3, so I only 3 device can connect your hotspot. And friends, you can see your personal hotspot setting guys, and friends you can see guys your device name. So guys you want to change guys your device name, so guys you can change from here. And friends, you can see your password guys, you want to change password, so you can change if you want. So that way guys we can on guys mobile hotspot and we can use it. So bye guys.